guys, so today I have various unboxings. I didn't realize I had ordered so much, but I'm trying to stock up. All right, so the first one that I have is from the Bath Bomb Shops, and they are formerly known as Georgia Charm. So if you've ever ordered from Georgia Charm Bombs, this is now the Bath Bomb Shop. And I only ordered a few things from her because she hand makes her own molds. And so that said, she hasn't really been active recently, not that much. Most of the bath bombs she had, I had already had. And I usually don't like to do twice the same bath bomb unless, I don't know. Sometimes I choose to do the same bath bomb more than once. But if I'm going to demo it, I choose not to buy the same bath bomb more than once. That's what I was trying to say. All right, so what's the first one that I have here? This one is Scary Pumpkin. And it is scented in, I don't know if it says on here. It does not, but I believe it was scented like, you know, pumpkin, cinnamon type deal. But look at it, it's so cute. Really grumpy looking. I was watching a video of hers the other day where she was actually creating molds. You know, she starts off with clay, and I was just mesmerized by the whole process. And then the second one, oh yes, it's all broken, like in 30 different places. This is the only reason I ordered. It's never the maker's, I don't think it's ever the maker's fault unless their mold is faulty, and I actually watched her make this mold. I don't think it's the fault of the mold. I don't know. I know that the wrapping isn't exactly tight. As you can see here, you can see that it's kind of loose, and it's just broken in 50 million different places, which is very disappointing because I wanted to demo this, and now I'm just going to throw it in the tub. I'm really sad. Like, it's called Meowcula. Meowcula, come on. Who wouldn't want to demo a cat, a Dracula cat, right? But look at all of the cracks. I mean, everywhere. It's just all broken up. Not just on the back, but also on the front. His whole, like, headpiece here. All of that is, I'm severely disappointed. Like, seriously disappointed, because this literally is the only reason I ordered. I just added other bath bombs in there because I didn't want to just order just one. So I'll have to get over that disappointment, but I'm really disappointed. I think this is one that I've ordered before that I ordered again. Yes. So this one I did demo, and even this, the wrapping isn't exactly tight, but it came in and it's not broken or anything, so I'm happy. This is another one of her molds, and Nightmare Duck. And I demoed this, but it was like 3 or 4 years ago. So I decided I'd get it again from The Nightmare Before Christmas. So cute. All right, so I'm sorry. I'm really trying to get over this disappointment, but it's really hit me. Because I haven't ordered from Georgia Charms. It's really getting me because I haven't ordered from Georgia Charm in so long because I hadn't really seen anything super new on her site. And now that there's something super new, I rushed to order it, and it's just crumbles. And I'm not gonna lie, I don't know whose fault it was, but whether it was shipping or packaging, or I'm just upset. I'm not blaming anyone. Stuff happens. It's still a bath bomb. It still can be used. And really, the important part of a bath bomb is what it does for your body. So, yeah. Meowcula will only be seen in this video because I can't use it. Not in a demo way. So those were the only 3 that I got from Georgia Charm. I'm sorry, Georgia Charm. I keep calling Georgia Charms. The Bath Bomb Shop. Sorry. And yeah, so that's it. And I will talk to you guys on the next one.